Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'll show you how you get $100 credit from DigitalOcean for 2 months, and you can use this credit for RDP, hosting and more uses. So first of all, you need email and valid card and promo code. You can see here the promo code. I will put this promo code in video description and comment section. Also, if you use the referral link from video description and comment section, you will get extra $25 according to DigitalOcean terms and rules. So let's get started. Please subscribe my channel. It's new channel, so there is no subscribers and videos. I put only 1-2 videos here, so keep subscribe for giveaway and more videos. So let's start the process of creating account. First of all, go through the referral link that I put on comment section and video description. So I am copying from here and going to and pasting on my browser. After clicking on the referral link, click on the sign up button. Fill your information like full name, email address and password. So I filled at random right now and click on the sign up button. Okay, it will redirect me to the for confirm my email address. You can see DigitalOcean sent me a confirmation email, so I am checking my email. So you get the confirmation email. You can see I got my email address, so I am copying this. You can just click on your confirmation email link, then you can select here what type of build on your if you want to website, then you can select the website, and you can select for e-commerce or others. So if I'm selecting others now, and budget is less than $50 and I'm working alone, and I'm selecting the cloud console. You can select anything from here. It's depend on you, or you can select a random one and click the submit button. So you can see here the page. You have to put the payment information here. Okay, you can add your payment method by card or by PayPal. So if you have PayPal or your country support PayPal, then you can select PayPal and you have to deposit minimum $5. If you add card, then you don't have to add any kind of payment. Means you can just add your card and you will get the credit balance free. So I'm selecting card. So you have to put your card and billing address, and you have to put everything correctly and carefully. So I'm putting here random for creating this account. So after fill everything, you just click on save and sign up button. So I filled this dummy account for this tutorial, so you have to put everything correctly and click on the sign up button, then your account will be activate to use. Okay, if you cannot create account, or if you don't have any kind of cards or issue to create accounts, so you can contact me on Telegram. You can purchase from me to panels and accounts, and more clouds accounts are available on my Telegram. You can contact through my Telegram. So that is the video. Thank you so much.